have our final winner.
Final winner in the driving category.
Who is that going to be as we close the second draw?
The Mandela Group of companies is giving back to its customers through a draw dubbed Operation Desert Challenge.
Also donated some maize flour, bushel, and some footballs to Power Bikers Africa. We've been in partnership with this team of bikers who don't only ride for leisure, but they also ride for charity. And in the coming days, they'll be riding, visiting some schools in Kokoto and in Gayaza. So as part of their charity ride, we decided to support them with some good amounts of bushel to give to the kids from Supreme, our Mandela Millers, and also footballs for them to enjoy in their current games they are playing at school.
What is the part?
Under the arrangement, customers who use city oil pump stations to fuel their cars will get an opportunity to win a trip to Dubai, where they will stay in a 7-star hotel.
Kakati sebo wakolera ku service molokai wajikolera ku service kuna Mirembe branch ya State Oil. Yotero kolera. Woli ku stage ki? Okolera ku stage ki? Ono chiyamani wa Masaka stage? Boss. Wagambye wabadde sebo oli muwanguzi kubatwale Dubai.
One of the lucky winners is a taxi driver operating on Masaka Road. Power Bikers Africa has commended the support from Mandela Group. The group